Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void.
Send tilde, receive tilde versus throw tilde, catch tilde. So if you watched the previous videos about send and receive, and also the one on throw and catch, I bet you are now wondering when to use them. It's a bit confusing, right? You may think they act in a similar way, right? However, if you go into the nitty-gritty details, you'll realize they both have differences and also similarities. In this video, we'll walk through the comparison chart explaining those differences and similarities. In addition, we'll also cover when one is better to use over the other. Here is a comparison chart. Send tilde, receive tilde. Multiple sources are not mixed. Typical use for routing signals. Audio behavior for one source effectively. Throw tilde and catch tilde. Multiple sources are automatically mixed. Typical use are mixing buses. Audio behavior is sum of all sources. Send tilde and receive tilde. The purpose: to send an audio signal to one receiver with the same name. How it works: send tilde name transmits the signal. Receive tilde name receives the signal. Result: if multiple send objects use the same name, only one signal is effectively used. They do not mix together. Also, the same name cannot be used more than once. Throw tilde, catch tilde, purpose: send multiple signals to the same destination and mix them automatically. How it works: throw tilde name throws a signal to a bus. Catch tilde name collects all signals with that name and sums them together. Results: multiple throw tilde with the same name are mixed together with the catch tilde same name. Key ideal: many to one mixing buses. Left side: send tilde and receive tilde. One send and receive with the same name given. Right side: throw tilde and catch tilde. Multiple throws with the same name as one catch. If multiple send tilde objects use the same name, only one signal is effectively used. They do not mix together. The same name cannot be reused, or conflicts will happen, like messages will not reach receive. Multiple throw tilde objects can share the same name. Their signals will mix to one catch. The best practice for send tilde and receive tilde is to create different names so that each audio signal will work every time. Simple way to remember: send tilde equals send a signal somewhere. Throw tilde equal throws signals into a mixing bucket. Practical PD tip: in larger patches, people often use throw tilde master to catch tilde master as a main mixture bus for many sound sources. Professionals choose send tilde, receive tilde, and throw tilde and catch tilde for different architectural reasons. Think of them as two different routing systems in a studio mixer. You've reached the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!